Hi everyone, welcome to GNSK. Well, today we are going to make very special and healthy recipe. The name of the recipe is Ulundhu Kali. For this recipe, we need very less ingredients. I'm planning to make small quantity. If you want to make large quantity, you can double the ingredients. 1 cup of water, 2 spoons shredded coconut, little cardamom powder, cashew nuts, almonds, pinch of salt, black urad dal, sesame oil, 1 spoon ghee, and half cup of jaggery. This recipe is really healthy for everyone, but especially for girls. During period time they feel lot of cramp pain, so this Ulundhu Kali definitely helpful for them to reduce that pain. Not only for that, this will improve your blood circulation, then your bones will be stronger than before. This recipe is also great for women after delivery. First, we are going to fry this urad dal on the low flame for 5 minutes. Without ghee, we have to fry cashew nuts, then almonds. Then in the mixer, first grind urad dal, then add cashew nut and almonds together. Make sure the powder is not fully grinded. This powder has to be texture of rava. In the same pan, add that powder, fry it for 2-3 minutes, then add 1 cup of water, mix it nicely. That powder have to be completely dissolved in water. Keep stirring continuously till it's thick. In this stage, now we are adding jaggery. For 1 cup of urad dal, I am adding half cup of jaggery. If you want more, you can add it. One pinch of salt, then little cardamom powder, one spoon of sesame oil, one spoon ghee. Keep stirring continuously. Make sure the flame is on medium. This is the correct stage to switch off the gas. Let them cool. If you like it, you can make it round shape or you can eat with the spoon. I didn't add coconut in this recipe today. Normally I used to add coconut also. If we add coconut, we have to finish within 2 days. So finally Ulundhu Kali is ready. Look this. It came very nicely. Try to give 1 spoon every day for kids. It's very healthy for them. It's very delicious. Try to give for your kids weekly 3 times. It's very easy to make this dish. Don't make it large quantity. Please try to make it weekly once.
If you like these type of video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, like this video, share this video, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.